Do I look hot? It's because I am. It's because within the first 48 hours of being in this house, our air conditioner died. The movers just left. How to survive being without an air conditioner in humid Northern Virginia in the middle of a heat wave. Died. Record-breaking summer.
Help, our AC broke on day one.
There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
How long has it been since you guys have heard that sound?
Welcome back to Mac with me, Meg.
And me, Will.
We are new homeowners and we got a pretty intense crash course in homeownership before the movers even officially came to our house. Of course, something can go wrong. Something will go wrong, especially if you're buying an older home. There are a couple of really expensive things when you're buying a home, right? The roof and the HVAC.
One of the smartest decisions we made was to get a home warranty to give us a little bit of insurance and cushioning when appliances inevitably break.
And didn't you know it that our HVAC died right away?
We thought maybe we could get through the first weekend without having to replace the AC, but that was not to be.
No such luck.
No such luck. The home warranty is crucial. I have friends that bought homes and did not do that and immediately regretted it.
So while we were busy sweating it out, I came up with a few survival tips of how to get through a heat wave that made it possible for us to get through those really tough days, and thank heavens now our AC is going. So check out our tips and be sure to fill in the comments as you're watching, letting us know what helps you keep cool during the dead of summer, because it's only gonna get hotter, guys. It's only gonna get hotter.
Window air conditioning units run between $100 to $400 and are a smart thing to have on hand if your AC dies. $200 gets you a really good one, so we bought two, placing one in the family room with a fan to circulate the air when we're in there and to push it out when not in use. For the second air conditioner unit, it's best to have it in the bedroom so you can sleep at night. Our windows don't accommodate that, so I have it in the room closest to the bedroom, and then we push the air into the bedroom using this fan. Speaking of fans, I love them and need the sound of it to sleep at night, and they're the next best thing to a working HVAC system. We have overhead fans going in almost every room, brings the temperature down a little bit and creates a nice breeze. The sun will raise the inside temperature quickly on a sunny day, so keep it out with window coverings. If you just moved in like us, you can honestly just quickly and easily affix light curtains to the wall with painter's tape without hurting your walls, just until you can attach your blinds or curtains. Store ice packs in the freezer to rotate wearing on hot days. Or wet a washcloth, roll it up, and freeze for a few minutes to DIY your own. Placing the ice on your neck, head, and wrists will help cool the whole body down and feel like a nice relief. To hydrate, avoid sugary drinks and instead opt for cold fluids made with electrolytes. These have changed my life in the summer. They replace the salt that we lose when we sweat, and they taste really good. For a snack, make a refreshing summer popsicle that will surely bring your body temp down from a healthy and super easy recipe in my video linked in the description. Or combine your popsicle mold with your electrolyte drink to replenish your body with a nice cold treat. I'm giving you permission, nay, homework, to eat popsicles and ice cream.
Those tips helped us survive the hottest days of our lives. And man, it was the crash course in home ownership that we did not sign up for, but we got through it. And we want to hear from you. Have you had any big catastrophes right when you bought your first home? Or how do you survive when your AC just, dies? Let us know in the comments below. Give the video a like and subscribe for a lot more fun content, like a whole huge facelift of the front of our house. It looks amazing. Can't wait to share it with you.
Stay tuned.
See you guys later. Bye.